Therefore, my guest speakers and I will be intentionally, and let me say that again, intentionally delivering information that everyone under the sound of our voices will be able to release, reset, and renew in preparation for 2022.
I'm a daughter, proudly, of a mother that went from depression, untreated, for many years, to ultimately the day that my mother was trying to kill me. You heard me. At the age of 12 years old, my mother had a nervous breakdown. She had reached her enough stage. Her brain hit, I've had enough. And she became a paranoid schizophrenia in a matter of seconds.
Now, as we talk about mental health, as our topic of discussion for this afternoon, mental health consists of our emotional, which is our feeling, our psychological, our thinking, and our social well-being, how we act with others.
I had to do it. But you know why I had to do it? Because there's a reason why my mother was the only black woman walking the street in her era and gave birth to me was because I was supposed to carry this torch.
Yes.
I was supposed to be this change. It only takes one voice to make a difference in this world. That's why we must speak up about how we're feeling. And we need to speak up because we are not alone in this world. And you know what's the most lonely feeling? Is knowing that you don't feel right, but you're too scared to tell anybody else, so you want to live with that alone feeling for the rest of your life.
Where she operates as the lead strategic business and self-care consultant, program director, designer, as well as the founder of Sister Care Lives.
Looking at it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just one table. What do y'all think?
Yeah.
When you walk into a room and someone has really curated an experience and an environment, it feels like this beautiful soft cloud that you're walking in. So before I begin, I just want to acknowledge you, your queenly walk, your loving energy, and the way you genuinely care about everyone who's around you. It makes a big difference, and it's one of the most revolutionary acts of leadership that exists. Can we please give her a hand?